sometimes we have past successes, and we live in those past successes, and we stay stuck in what we did, and in the last up time that we were, when we could go out and enjoy and have fun and do all kinds of things, and we get stuck in those, and we don't enjoy what we have right now. We don't enjoy that we're actually having some either time together with the family people that we not normally don't, or by ourselves. Those who are by yourselves, you have time to be with you, have your time to reflect. So sometimes this could be your most important time to evolve and to come out like a shining star at the end of this. And the only way, one of the coaches that I follow was saying, the only way to go through pain, to go through suffering, to go through difficult times is to go through, not to go over it, but to go through it. And when you go through it, through pain, through suffering, through struggles, through difficulties, and through learning, you come up a better person, and you come up a stronger survivor. And as many of you know, I am a cancer survivor, and this has allowed me to give me strength to know that I can overcome anything. If I can overcome that horrible surgery that cut my neck, cut my tongue, and left me without being able to sleep in a horizontal way, and without being able to eat anything, how can I not survive being in confinement for as long as it takes? I don't care. Of course, there are many people that are confined in places that are not nice, and I'm very lucky and grateful for where I am right now. But even that, the difficulties is what makes us stronger. Without the difficult situations, we are nothing. Without the immigration to another country, and all the things that we have to overcome as immigrants, in my case, we wouldn't be so strong to sustain all the different changes in the world. So for those who are immigrants to any country, I know that you can handle this, because you came to places where you didn't know people, you didn't know the rules, you adapted to a new situation, new environment, new things, new viruses, new everything. You get sick. Actually, by the time you move to a new place, you actually adapt to the new viruses of the environment, and then you get a little bit sick at the beginning, and then you resolve. So this is happening when you adapt to go to any environment. So know that you're strong, and the things that you have lived in the past make you stronger. And staying sometimes in the up times, remember, in the up times, and longing for those up times. Yes, it's good to have hope and to have desire to do them again, but it's actually the difficult times that made you stronger, the difficult times that made you learn some lessons that are exactly giving you the tools that you need right now to handle the current situation that we have. Anyway, I wanted to share more music. I know that a lot of people are wanting to have live music in their home, and I have another song in Spanish called Rabo de Nube, and this song is special in this time because it's a song about hope. It's a song about how we that we want the clouds to pass and shower all and clean all the bad things, so that the storm passes and then there's a sunlight. I'm going to play this. This track is played by Boland again. We recorded this last January, last year, I think, or was it this year? Yeah, I think it was last year, and then we released it. It's out in all the music stores. Si me dijeran, pide un deseo, tell me to ask for a wish. Preferiría un rabo de nube. I would prefer a tail of a cloud. Que se llevara lo feo y nos dejara el querube, un barredor de tristezas, un aguacero en venganza, que cuando escampe parezca nuestra esperanza. Un barredor de tristezas, un aguacero en venganza, que cuando escampe parezca nuestra esperanza. A cleaner of the sadness that when it stops raining, hope shows. Si me dijeran, pide un deseo, preferiría un rabo de nube. Prefer a tail of a cloud, que se llevara lo feo, that takes away the ugly, y nos dejara el querube. I would bring us the cherubs. Un barredor de tristezas, sweeper of sadness, un aguacero en venganza, shower of revenge, que cuando escampe parezca nuestra esperanza. When it stops raining, our hope is gone. Un barredor de tristezas, the sweeper of sadness, un aguacero en venganza, que cuando escampe parezca nuestra esperanza. But when it rains, all that's left is hope.